Thank you very much. So it's a real honor to be as a surgeon in this very IVF specialized society, and it's a real pleasure to be in India, invited by the organizers. So it might seem strange to talk about surgery, but you're going to see there are many things to say, and many things are changing now. This is where I'm coming from, in the western part of France. We know we have this Loire Valley and this beautiful castle. So just to let you know, it's not as famous as Goa, but it's quite interesting. Okay, so what can we say? You know, I'm very involved in endometriosis as a surgeon, and of course we have an IVF center in my department. And you all know here that 10 to 15% of the female population have endometriosis. That endometriosis represents 10 to 25% of patients who are requiring ART, and 30% of women with unexplained infertility. And you know that endometriomas is roughly 30% of women who are scheduled for IVF. So we have to work together to know if we have to do surgery or not before you're performing your IVF. And you also know that in endometriosis, the pregnancy rate is lower than in all the other indications. So we've been living for years in the idea that endometriomas, the endometriotic cysts, should be removed before IVF because it could improve the results of the IVF. And recently, since 3 or 4 years, the question arises of potentially harmful consequences of endometrioma cystectomy, the bad surgeon, on the ovarian reserve. So we're going to go through the literature and see what we can say about this, but it's a quite fascinating topic. So when I prepared this lecture, I thought we could answer to 4 questions. The first one is, what is the impact of endometriomas on ovarian responsiveness?